Rather than the drop down for auto refresh, is there a preference or something my SOC can set so that their incident reviews default setting is to have auto refresh on?
Yeah, so I can take this one too. So I think, and like, whoever submitted this, correct me if I'm misreading this, but I think we already had auto refresh available in 7.x. And so when you go into the analyst queue, which used to be incident review, you can toggle it to on and off. But I think what this question is asking is if you can lock that into place. You actually can do that in settings so that you don't have to toggle it on the queue. So you would just go into configure at the top, findings and investigations, and then analyst queue settings, and then you'd be able to see this toggle. And basically, if you switch it on, then auto refresh will always show up as on every time you log into your instance and go to the queue. And you wouldn't need to toggle the dropdown at that point. It would just be automatic, unless of course you turn it off manually.